Hello Rakesh, welcome to Filmy Beat. Firstly, congratulations for Big Boss season 15. What do you have to say? How you are feeling?
Uh,
Nervousness,
fe-
excitement. Yeah.
yeah, nervousness, excitement, numb at the same time, and been a roller coaster ride for sure. And it's been good. I mean, so far so good. Team is good. I'm working with, so amazing, good fun.
एग्जैक्टली एंड इसके पहले भी बहुत सारे सीजन्स में आपके ऑलरेडी नाम आ चुके थे कि लाइक ये सीजन में आप एंटर करोगे, ये सीजन में करने वाला, बट फाइनली आपने आपका माइंड बना लिया एंड दिस सीजन यू आर एंटरिंग. सो ऐसा क्या सोचा आपने कि दिस इज द राइट टाइम, ये सीजन करना चाहिए, नॉट बिफोर दिस, जब भी आया था आपके पास ऑफर?
मे बी आई थिंक इट टाइम की बात होती है और everything has to fall in place correctly. I think this time it fell in place correctly, and it was just destined. I mean, something. It's just like sometimes just your inner voice just tells you like, okay, go ahead. So I think that was it. I realized that okay, fine, this is the time. I think, and also when I spoke to the team, I really love the team. I think they're very very cool, sorted out people, and I like working with like-minded people and somebody who's like go-getters, and that coaxed me. Yes, and definitely the pandemic definitely made us little. I think everybody can participate in Big Boss because that we already faced a bigger Big Boss for the pandemic, and it taught us, a lot of things like living in minimalistic self. Everything you have to do it by your own self and Atmanirbhar, as we say, and also the mental health issues that we have been talking about and how you have to be maintain your sanity in such things, talk to people, or like solve your head in a situation like this. So I feel that we just learned so much from this that it taught me a lot. And Big Boss is all about the mind games, and it is about how strong you can be mentally. So I think the pandemic has really made me help to this. I mean, come to this decision.
Okay, so well, we know like घर के अंदर क्या चीजें होती है. People pokes you, they come on your nerves literally and makes you angry, frustration. So will we see the side of 80-90 पूरे sauce Rakesh Papad as well?
I hope not. Oh God. I hope not. Really not. No, I don't think so.
Exactly, and the shade, the character, yes, which you had played, people have loved that. So, if I'll ask you, ki, how is Rakesh Bapat in real life? Like, kitna, like when people irritates you or poke you, pin you, तो कितना ज़्यादा frustration level बढ़ जाता है, and how you will control your anger in the house because this is 24/7 live. So how you gonna control it?
I lose my temper when somebody does that to me, irritates, pokes me, and all that. But yeah, I mean, I used to, but now I've calmed myself down. So I did visual art therapy and control my bouts of anger and all that. So it has helped me a lot, big way. And I'm still learning. And mostly, I would try to maintain my. See, I want to be myself. I'm not here to pick up the trophy or win or whatever. It's just a journey that I want to concentrate on. It's a very different kind of experience for me, and I want to cherish that. Like I want to say that okay, I was a part of the person, which I never thought that I would be. So it's that. Like I would play the game, but I'm going to be myself. I want to stand for the right. I want to stand for injustice. I want to, if there is any kind of injustice towards women or anything, and I don't like that, honestly speaking. So I would stand for something like this, which is normally people would, so naturally I would do that.
Okay, and people are comparing the hosting between Karan Johar and Salman Khan because when it comes to Big Boss, of course, we have seen Weekend का वार like जहाँ पे Salman Khan, लोगों को चिल्लाते थे, लगाते थे. So, what do you have to say? किसकी hosting आपको ज़्यादा पसंद है and Salman Khan को कितना मिस करोगे? So, he's Weekend का वार.
एक तो honestly I've not seen Big Boss. I have not seen reality shows as such. I'm not a reality show fan as such, generally. But then I wanted to see it, but also I didn't see it because I don't want to go with a preconceived notion. Also, it is I don't want to compare these two because I think they both have a different standing strata, and they have got their own quirks. to entertain audience, and I think each one is good in their own shoes, so there's no comparison as such. But yes, Karan will be a little quirkier. I mean, he'll be like something will be there will be a laughter riot or something. People might fall off their chairs during the interactions. So yeah, I mean, so it will be different. It will be spicy. It will be saucy.
Okay, so without family, without phone, what do you think? How many days or months you can survive in the house?
I have no idea. I'm not a phone person that much. I'm not somebody who's like only when there's work I take the phone and answer. But generally, I'm okay without living without the phone. But yeah, family, yes, there's something that I would miss because in the pandemic stage, I was living in Pune with my mother. So there was a stage where we went through a lot of bad patch where my dad passed away and all that. So there was something which we had to deal with, and that's why I had to be. So we became this close knit family again. And then yes, I mean I'm going to miss them because I was too used to them being around. Not exactly now, but they're obviously immediate neighbors too. So we always interact. So it's a close knit kind of a setup.
Okay, and have you spoken about the Big Boss with any contestants before, like ex-contestant of any season, like any advice or suggestions they would have given you, or you would have asked them?
Not really. I don't want to influence my mind by asking anybody, and I don't. I've not told anybody that I'm participating. So uh, it will be a surprise for people when they actually come. But
Okay.
I'm there.
Okay, and any favorite contestant of any season, like you have just seen clips and bits on Instagram or somewhere, like you feel like कि हाँ यार ये contestant ने अच्छा किया this season, like I like this person. So any contestant, any season के ऐसे कोई?
कंटेस्ट मैंने कहा ना, मैं देखा नहीं है बिग बॉस ऐसे कि पहले क्लिप्स मैंने देखे हैं कि कुछ I don't remember the names, but there were a few people like yeah, Shilpa Shinde. I was working with her on a Marathi film. So after she won Big Boss, I think. So I think I interacted with her. She told me a few stories from there. So that's the only feel that I have of Big Boss.
All right. And what planning or strategy or like something you have, like कि अंदर जाके किस तरीके से खेलना है, like you're gonna observe or you're gonna play, like किस तरीके से, what you have thought?
I think I'm going to be myself. I'm not going to be outrageous for sure, which I'm not. Uh, I think play by the rules, yes, but I need to be my own self. I cannot lose that. I want to protect my identity. I want to protect the way I am. And not every time you have to be outrageous to probably do well in a show or win a show or whatever it is. It can be the other way around also. So maybe I'm here for that. So.
All right. And what message you would like to give to the fans and the viewers, like who loves you, and especially the one who is the Big Boss lovers, they are the Big Boss fans?
Uh, the message I would like to give them is like they always showered love, since Tumbin, it's been 20 years and I keep getting those sweet messages on the phone and all that, the DMs and everything, So it takes a lot of efforts to message somebody out, going out of the way and messaging somebody, So they've shown me that constant love and support, and I think I'm very blessed to have all these people, all the time supporting me. And yeah, I just say that, keep that love going on, because I'll need that the most right now, because Tumbin Jiya Jaye Kaise Kaise Jiya Jaye Tumbin, that song itself is making more sense now, because I keep telling people that, like I need audience के बगैर मैं जी नहीं पाऊंगा at least ये सफर में. So keep being by my side, सहारे की साथ की जरूरत है तुम लोगों की, तो I need it. Thank you so much till date. What you've given me, please continue doing that.
All right. So all the best, Rakesh. It was a pleasure talking to you, and best of luck. And definitely we are looking forward कि आपको घर के अंदर देखें. And yeah, take care. Have a great day.
Thank
Bye
you so
bye.
much. Need it.